Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Paxos stop issuing Binance USD, and this is the third biggest stablecoin by market cap. What's going on here? I'm going to tell you in a second. Then tomorrow we're going to have the new CPI data. What's the forecast? What we hope for? Let's discuss it. And the third news is all about that US crypto lawsuits reach all-time high last year in 2022. So guys, all this in today's video. Sorry, I had to sneeze, so the break was a bit longer. But anyway, if you would like to keep yourself up to date, then simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, because every day you're getting fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain news, short videos, longer videos, very simple. Subscribe bell button, all, that's the only thing you have to do. And then you get the notifications as soon as the new video is out. And also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. And let's move on to the prices, where we can see that actually Bitcoin is down now 1.2% in the last 24 hours, while Ethereum is down more than 3%. That makes Bitcoin 21,638, while Ethereum 1,485 US dollar. When we're looking at the top losers or gainers, what mass, seriously. So here we can see the top losers, but it's really not in order. There's very quick change going on right now. Looks like 15% down is Mina. After that, Optimism is following it with about 12% and pretty similar Singularity net. Well, winner-wise, Basic Attention Token 4% up here in the top 100, but usually everything is now going a little bit down. When we're looking at here the candlestick chart, we can see that, here, this is the 4-hour one. So we were around this 21,900-ish kind of level, and then we went up here, but we were pushed back. And now, today already, we have reached the level 21,454, which was around here. And yeah. Right now, because of this Binance BUSD news and everything, so it's looking a bit bearish at the moment as the bad news are coming. Also, tomorrow's new CPI data, I'm going to talk about that. So really difficult to decide which direction the market is going. But let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic, as I said, it's all about that Paxos stop issuing Binance USD. So we can see now that the SEC is really after the centralized exchanges. We first have seen Kraken, which had to stop its staking service in the United States and had a $30 million fine. And then Coinbase is actually fighting, so saying that their staking service it's okay. So they're rather going to court with the SEC. And then now we have today that Paxos reportedly ordered to stop issuing Binance USD. So this basically came after that the SEC said that the BUSD is an unregistered security. So the New York Department of Financial Services has reportedly asked Paxos to stop creating more of its BUSD token. Paxos will continue to manage redemptions of the product according to the Binance statement. So actually supposed to be no problem at the moment. And here we can see CZ's post. And well, the interesting thing to point out here is that, they're saying this is an unregistered security. And, well, how can be a stablecoin unregistered security? That's very interesting, because when you're looking at here the Howey's test, is that, here are the criteria. And for instance, with the expectation of profit. So you invest in that with expectation of profit. But how can you invest in a stable coin? Maybe when it comes to staking or something like that. But usually it is pegged to the dollar. So I don't know. It's very interesting that they come out with this. But also, when you're looking at the big picture, to have U.S. USD based stablecoins, it's very important for the US. So actually the currency in crypto, it's mainly the main currency, USD. Well, if they not allowed to do that, then then we have the MiCA, and then we have the euro as a reserve currency for crypto, and that's probably not good for the US. Therefore, well, this is maybe really against Binance now. So because it's maybe not the USDT and USDC, it's not in the problem, but because this is related to the third biggest stablecoin by market cap, and it's connected to the exchange, basically Binance, but behind it is Paxos. So now it looks like that everything is working, but a new BUSD cannot be issued by Paxos. This is what they ordered. So how the story will unfold, we're going to follow it for sure. Okay, then the second thing I would like to discuss is tomorrow. Tomorrow, another important data is coming out, and this is the CPI numbers of January. So recently, the CPI, Consumer Price Index, is going down. If you remember, we had it back in December. We had 6.5%, and actually, this is much better than the previous one. Here you can see it was 7.1, and then December was 6.5. It came out in January, and now we're waiting for the January data coming out of in February, right? Which is tomorrow. Tomorrow, here you can see 8:30. I think that's Eastern time in Hungarian zone. So the Europe zone, it's 2:30 p.m. And now the forecast is 6.2%. But some people believe that maybe it can be actually higher than that. It won't meet the expectations, and that can definitely push the market further down. Or if it's better, then actually can happen, and the opposite is happening. The market is going up. So right now, last time, they got it pretty much right when you're looking at the forecast was 6.5%, and actually the actual was 6.5%. Then they had higher numbers, and then the actual was lower. So this is always good. When it's happening the other way. So if this happening again, that we're going to have here a red one, so it's 6.1 for instance, then it's definitely good for the market. When it's more than 6.2, then probably it's not that good. Still coming down from 6.5, that's important. So yeah, it's very, very hard to predict. Many times you see the market going in one direction after the information coming out, and then changing direction, going the opposite, down or up. So it's crazy times living in. Obviously, news like this BUSD news has also an impact on the market. So a lot of things happening at the same time. But anyway, this will be important tomorrow. Right, and after that, the third topic I would like to discuss, that we had a record number of crypto lawsuits last year in 2022. So we can see that regulators coming are more strict, and they're taking crypto even more serious, because now we're having more and more lawsuits. It was a 42% increase in 2022 compared to the year before. And actually, the SEC cases dominate the legal battle. So the study notes that 40% increase in the crypto lawsuit between 2018 and 2022. And out of all years, 2022 saw a highest number of lawsuits in the United States, with a total number of 41. And when you're looking at approximately 19 of those 41 crypto lawsuits originated from the U.S. Security and Exchange Commission. So you can see that they getting more and more serious about it. So it's not the time anymore when they laugh about crypto. It's a time when they take it serious, and when it comes to regulations. And now this year, last year, next year, so in these couple of years, it's a lot in focus in regulations and what they want to do. So crypto's future can depend a lot on the next couple of years. And if they make decisions which is not in favor of crypto, then it can push back us in a couple of years. If they make better decisions, then definitely it can help to further develop. So it's a lot of question marks. But overall, I think when it comes to Bitcoin and some of the decentralized cryptocurrencies, that's a pretty good thing. The problem is right now, usually with these centralized ones, the ones they could be securities in the future, and if they securities, then how will they regulate and how they can meet the criteria? So a lot of questions. So it's really a lot of uncertainty on the market right now, especially in these bearish times. And as you can see, the number of lawsuits in crypto lawsuits are increasing in the US. Maybe 2023 could be a new record, so even higher one than 2022 was. We will see. We will see for sure. Okay, guys. Don't forget, every day you're getting fresh cryptocurrency and blockchain videos here on this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom. On the next 3 days, I will be at the conference. So probably I won't make these longer videos, but I will still keep you up to date on the most important news to making these short videos. So those will be available. And with the long video again, I'm back on Friday for sure. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, hit the like button if you like this kind of content, and also subscribe if you don't want to miss any important thing, because that's the reason why I'm making these videos every single day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.